Hi, my name is Tabitha. I wanted to give a little review about this Sunjo tiller. This thing impressed me so much. I was not expecting it to work so well, but it was really tremendous. We have loved it ever since we got it. So let me tell you all about it. It has 6 steel tines that rip into the dirt with quite ease. We have a pretty dense clay soil where I live, and it's pretty tough to dig or to soften. So this has done wonders for us. We have used it for gardening, we have used it for just simply helping to level areas, and we've used it to help soften the dirt so we could put in French drains. And I mean, in every aspect, it has been so lovely. It's quick and easy to set up and use. It doesn't rattle you around a ton, and it's just incredible. I really love how compact this is compared to other tillers, but it is 16 inches, so you are still able to till and cultivate a pretty large area at a time. The wheels on the bottom make it a smooth transition out of storage to where you're working. To activate the tines, you just press the small inner button, and that will allow you to then press the trigger, and you can release that smaller button and it will continue to spin the tines. You have a little handy clip here that will hold your cord so it's not flopping around or getting in your way. It's also super easy to clean and get out any kind of trapped or wrapped up grass and weeds and stuff that might get tangled up. So if you were looking for an electric tiller, one that's quite compact but packs a punch, I would absolutely recommend this one.